Good morning, guys. We're in the province, and let me show you something I never seen before. There's a lot of dogs here, and look what I found, guys.
What's that?
It's a goat.
May kalabaw dun.
Oh my God. Mas malakas yan.
O sabihin mo sa ano, sa vlog mo dali.
I'm in the province right now, and I can see a Carabao right now. I really want to get closer, but no, it's too dangerous. Carabao, guys, and I'm really not gonna go there because I'm too scared because I don't like Carabaos yet. But there's another goat, guys. I can see another goat. Look, look, guys. Beside the Carabao is another goat. And I see a brown goat. I want to pet that goat, but the Carabao's there. I don't think I'm gonna go to the Carabao, but I'm going with my friend here first. So,
Hi guys.
parang may nakikita akong baboy sa background. Wala na pala man, di ba? Uy, bako. Ayun o. Here. Two goats and one Carabao and
A duck.
one duck.
Yeah.
Mga ducks ulit. Oh my God, nakatiki.
Wala pupo.
Hindi na ako babalik sa bahay.
Akala ko
Hindi na. Never again. Guys, the goat is right now blind. And look, there's another dog.
Nagtatago.
Hindi, tirahan niya yan. Sigurado ako. Hindi siya lalabas eh. Siguro may itlog yan. Yan na, tita. Hi, guys. No. Ayun pa, oh. That's not a duck. That's a goose. The other one there. That is a goose. I never seen a goose. I've seen them a million times ago. I just want to burn them. I didn't. Look! Ayun na sila! Hala! Tita! Punta tayo sa Carabao! 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 Nilalangaw. Ha, baby! Nilalangaw. Nilalangaw yan, oh. Big yan. Big Carabao na yan. Tingnan mo, nilalangaw. Tita!
natatakot? Di naman ano yan.
Nagkukunwari lang ako.
Ayos yung pagkunwari mo ah. Parang tunay ah. Hilang, parang Ay, nagdagat dyan sa tabi oh. Wala pang araw eh.
Out here, guys, but I don't know what to do now. Dan, are you gonna touch the Carabao? Dan, are you gonna touch the Carabao?
Hi guys, may Carabao.
And look right now, Carabao right there. See now, real Carabao. What I do for attack? Snowball goats, Carabao. Even two goats.
Hi guys.
And birds.
Good morning.
I'm super duper happy, guys. I really love this. I'm never gonna go home. Mama, can I never go home? Please. I love this place. But the ticket is. But you have to save the ticket is only 10 days. But it's only